Hi, it's Michael coming to you from the ASP Product Training Room again. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you all about dual fuel technology as found in ASP's rechargeable flashlights. Having a reliable, high-performance flashlight is absolutely critical to law enforcement officers, but it's also important to tradespeople, outdoor enthusiasts, and homeowners. Of course, the first step is having a very high-quality flashlight, but that's only half the formula. You also need an available and appropriate fuel source, also known as batteries, to power that flashlight. Now, rechargeable flashlights are fantastic, but not if your flashlight discharges and you don't have time or access to a place to recharge it. That's where dual fuel comes in, and more on that in a minute. But first, it's good to know that ASP's rechargeable flashlights let you charge the battery inside the light. You never need a separate charger. All you need to do in most cases is twist open the bezel. That accesses the micro USB charging port. Plug a charging adapter into that port, and there's a status light in there that will turn red when it's charging, green when it's fully charged, and that's all there is to it. But let's say that that battery discharges and you don't have time to recharge it, as I mentioned before. Well, that's where dual fuel comes in. Take the rechargeable battery out, replace it with primary or disposable batteries, and you're back in business. Now, there's some important things to know about ASP's recharging system. First of all, our rechargeable lithium ion batteries are proprietary. Our lithium ion batteries are easy to identify with their green labels. Most batteries, as you know, have a positive terminal at one end, negative at the other. ASP's lithium ion batteries have both positive and negative at one end. And the reason for that is safety. When you put this rechargeable battery into your ASP flashlight, it completes a charging circuit so that when you plug the flashlight in, the battery recharges. If you take this battery out and replace it with CR123 disposable batteries, and they don't have to be ours, they can be any CR123 battery, though we do recommend ours, and you put those batteries in and plug the flashlight in, nothing will happen because that charging circuit isn't being completed. It only takes a quick search of Google or YouTube to see what can happen when somebody tries to charge a non-rechargeable lithium battery. So we put that in there for safety. The rechargeable battery needs to be our proprietary ASP battery, whether it's this 18650 or in the case of a light like the Guardian light, a 14500 rechargeable. But the primary cells that you replace them with in dual fuel mode can be any disposable battery, CR123A in this case, or AA in the case of the Guardian. So that's important to know. Also, you might like to know that our rechargeable flashlights come with a variety of different accessories depending on which light you buy. The smallest light may come with a simple charging adapter, or our full duty kits will include a retractable cord with reversible USB and micro USB adapters, as well as a high quality 12-volt lighter adapter and a folding, perfect for travel AC adapter. Last but not least, we have a great accessory called the Charge Bank that allows you to keep a second 18650 battery charged simply by keeping it in the lighter adapter in your patrol car or any other vehicle. Or you can charge it using a wall adapter, and you can even use the Charge Bank to charge other products like Android cell phones or other micro USB devices. So really, the ASP dual fuel concept is a complete system, from flashlights to rechargeable batteries to primary cells to charging accessories. I hope you found that information helpful, and as always, there's much more available on other videos and on our website at asp-usa.com. Thanks for your time.